Okay, as you can see, we decided to what Reggie suggested was I'm just gonna take out the cover out so we can expose the gasket and see if we can apply any silicone to it. So I'm just gonna keep quiet and loosen everything. Reggie, um, we should probably get an impact because damn, a man is gonna grow old getting things loose here. So it just makes life simple. 3 from the center. As you can see, let me show you there. You can just show in the oil that we wanna basically stop from going to that plug because we need it to be droog mona. There's more tlakasinyana that are going through, so we don't want it there. We don't want it there. So, okay. I think I should just shift this plate because it's gonna be on the way there. That's a dipstick stand basically. So there. Okay, that's like a tight. Get some fulcrum in there. I haven't had lunch now. Yeah. Okay, man. Why am I tightening here, Reggie? Okay, no. Damn, I'm thinking here. I haven't chowed lunch, that's why. And doesn't even want to move, actually. There you go. Okay, should be out of the way. Now we need to loosen this two here. That's holding the accelerator bracket. Accelerator cable. Majority of these should have some of them anyway, should have a clip clip that basically goes into this groove here and then holds it in, but I don't think this one is one of those. Okay, right. Damn. I wish I could go into the specifics. But yeah, what we're gonna do basically, I bought some degreaser. So we're gonna be just getting it all cleaned up. And then figure out why is that precious is lurking here, and then get the okay, get the like sealed. What I wanna basically look at is there anything um that might be worn face wise or squareness wise or damaged or some kind of kink or something. that could lead to that specific uh, seal or cylinder head. Why this one particular? I just want to see if there's any damage, but I don't see any. It should hopefully seal so that we can basically feel, because we drove it here, it was not giving us, it's not responding like it should, man. Because if you've driven one of this for a while, and any car for that matter, that's gonna be having this particular problem. Because I remember before I bought this one, I was driving a Ballad Honda. That one with the lights. Uh, it had similar problem because hey, man, hey, buses are going past, trucks are going past, car is hot as fuck. Like, hey. Only to find out that was a problem. So yeah, so that thing of driving get happens, you kind of learn. And for me anyway, there's nothing nice than fixing for myself if I can't fix. Because I'm not saying I'm an expert here. I just, yeah, I learn as I go. I research. If that still doesn't work, yeah, then I have a couple of Gevaarlijke bras that I can call, like Brasiga over in Danville. There, my bra. I know I was there today. I based you. So yeah, if I'm stuck, you know, I'm gonna be coming over. And so I did, as I'm saying, I had a talk with him today. We are planning to do something to this motor because there is no way we're gonna leave it like this. So I had a talk with Siga today, and yeah, we've got some lovely ideas for this motor. So maybe the next time you see us go past, you're gonna know. You're gonna know. I'm sorry. I don't know if he's still alive. And we did our apprenticeship, we used to say, what was which is your tour? I still don't know what that means. But you know training centers. But yeah, that guy was dangerous. Hello, I'm Sarah. uh, Close up the engine so we can test and end the episode. Police. Okay, so the last time, I don't know when we left off, we opened up here. We applied some silicone to that piston number one tapered gasket. So this is a plug from when I changed the plugs when I got the car, and this is a plug. But it wasn't on piston number one though. It was just on the. I don't remember which piston it was, but it's the ones I took out. This is the one that we just taken out now. So you can see how lekker I'm shivering now. Lekker wet it is. So we don't want that. Yeah, let's continue.
Here.
I should come across. Okay, and then the plugs. Start with the first one. This bra here. Number 6. Number 5. This should go up under now. Number 6 and 5. Gonna look nicely. This thing is fucked up. Number 3. Number 4. Uh, 2, 1. Good. See, that one made a remedy. This pipe's always leak oil, even on my 123, it's leaking. Not excessive, but it's annoying because nobody wants. I don't like a dirty engine. Do you skim?
Fuck well, my when it's already clean, mas.
It is clean. Yes, but could be cleaner. So much work. Just take out the gasket at the game. The pipe goes way on the top or the bottom.
Bottom there.
Let's check. There's no way.
Okay, yeah, but go with him, go
No,
with
it
him.
fits on the top. Shandies.
Because get ready to like
Oh, yeah. Then now we listen to him base and say, what? So I'm going here. Okay, sitting nicely. Just get the hose aligned at the back. Okay, so we're about to get on the road to see how she's gonna respond on the throttle. So I'll just see, get her like an open road. Oh, that's no, I don't like that. But then let's listen. Let's listen. We are 80. I love that close. Okay, we're just gonna wait for like an open road so we can pull it nicely. Hopefully, like I go 18 yana, I go 80. You cannot because safety belt. It happens or in 1,000 ways to die.
This is on the transport today. Do you have 3 roads? This guy.
No, you're gonna die now. Okay, good. You're gonna die before testing the speed. That's not over. Oh man, this car was nice. This is better already. Hey, because my bro, when I was coming, I pressed. So now when you press the throttle, at least you get a response. And that's what we want. Oh, yes. To me, yes. Just want to clear that front intersections so that we can never go near the traffic. I wish it was in the morning so we could really have a go at it. But we'll try and get the like open road. We'll tell somebody where I come back and see if we can get a like let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Ahmad, Ahmad, Ahmad. This is what we want. Okay, I think we should go for wheel alignment as well. Because damn, we are all over the road. But already I've flipped an improvement. Exhaust no sounds the same. Traffic ahead. I hope there's no fucking traffic cops there. The sun is killing me.
Hey, dog, it's killing.
And the aircon is finished.
But it's finished.
Okay. Sweating my ass off in here. I don't want to open the window because it's gonna fuck up the aerodynamics. But one thing now about the auto just now, naturally aspirated, obviously.
V12.
No man, 280E. Man, this thing is nice. Man, this thing is nice. This motor class. More apart from body core, more traffic, plus it's not watch is. So, but then look at the back. We coming from back, there's nobody there. I mean, what the fuck? tshwareleke bo ma-traffic
Okay, now I'm not sure about you, Tiana.
I don't think it's them. And we are on the road anyway, guys. There's not. I think what we can do is when we come back, we'll just wait for the road to clear up, so we can feel the pressures, because now we can't feel pressures. But now, I honestly don't have any complaints.
I'm going to open the window a bit.
Hey, my bro, I can feel I'm half cooked already. Just need spice and then I'm ready for feasting now. I think nobody safely on that. That's why we say we'll never go in it on the end. We just have to test the way the car accelerates and responds when you, because it took ages initially with the problem when you had to wait and then check. So now I can stop my feel high when I press we go. When I press we go. Doesn't think. Doesn't think. Woo! Next week,
Thinking,
it's a bending ship.
yeah,
Thinking, what the fuck? Are we on fire? Are you sure it's not us, my man?
that's what I was going to ask that.
Because maybe we should just stop and check. Just now
Also,
we're
what
on
TV like I
fire
think
here.
is the exhaust that.
Just now we are on fire here, guys.
Nah, man.
I smell some oil. I stop on the shades. Because it's on my diet. That's not good.